Are you ready to revolutionize your digestive wellness naturally? In this video, we're delving into the incredible benefits of chia seeds, the unsung heroes of gut health. Discover how these tiny seeds can transform your digestion, promote regularity, and boost overall well-being. Stay tuned to uncover the digestive magic of chia seeds and seed the change within your gut health journey. Whether you're looking to boost regularity, support gut health, or simply enhance your overall well-being, chia seeds are the secret ingredient you've been searching for. Join us on this journey to unlock the digestive magic of chia seeds and take the first step towards a healthier, happier gut. Don't miss out on this transformative information. Watch until the end to see the change within your digestive wellness. Chia seeds, derived from the Salvia hispanica plant, have been consumed for centuries due to their impressive nutritional profile. These tiny seeds pack a powerful punch when it comes to supporting digestive health. Chia seeds are rich in dietary fiber, which plays a crucial role in supporting a healthy digestive system. The soluble fiber in chia seeds forms a gel-like consistency in the gut, which can help promote regularity and prevent constipation. When consumed, chia seeds absorb liquid and expand in the digestive tract, acting as a gentle natural laxative. This helps to move waste through the colon more efficiently, supporting overall digestive function. One popular way to incorporate chia seeds into your diet is by making chia seed pudding. Simply mix chia seeds with your choice of liquid, such as almond milk or coconut water, and let it sit overnight to form a delicious and nutritious treat. In addition to fiber, chia seeds are a nutritional powerhouse, containing essential nutrients such as omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and antioxidants. These nutrients work together to support gut health and reduce inflammation in the digestive system. If you're looking to incorporate more chia seeds into your diet, try adding them to your yogurt, oatmeal, or salads for an extra boost of fiber and nutrients. You can also use them as an egg substitute in baking for a vegan-friendly option. Chia seeds are incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of recipes, from smoothie bowls to energy bars. They add a satisfying crunch and a nutritional boost to any dish, making them a must-have ingredient for digestive wellness. In conclusion, chia seeds are a simple yet effective way to support your digestive wellness naturally. Start incorporating these tiny but mighty seeds into your daily routine and experience the transformative power they can have on your gut health. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on holistic health, nutrition, and the wonders of superfoods. Thanks for watching.